What's up, guys? It's your girl Lily, aka Queen Sari, and I am back with another video. Hey y'all, how have y'all been? It's been a minute since I last even interacted with y'all. Like, that's crazy. But we're praying for more consistency this year. If you believe it, type amen. And if you want to see it this year, type amen in the comment section, because this year is the year of consistency and it's our year to flourish. Because what? Period. Anyways, as you guys can see by the title, I will be installing this wig I got off AliExpress. All the details to this hair will be at the end, so stay tuned for that. And in the meantime, just comment what you think, how you think I did, because I think I did pretty all right. But you know, people's opinions sometimes matter. And like, you guys, my subscribers, your opinions matter, you know? So comment down below how you think I did. And in the meantime, also like this video and subscribe. For those of y'all who are watching this and you're not subscribed yet, you're already a minute into this video. What are you doing, honey? Just hit the subscribe button, and while you're at it, just hit the bell so that you get notified every time I post. And then you come back and you see me, and I see you, and we see each other. And now we have a mutual agreement that we are now besties. Cause what? Subscribe. Subscribe, honey. I'll wait. What? I'm gonna stop talking because there's so many videos out there on how to install wigs. And I feel like at this stage in life, it's very pointless for me to describe what I'm doing because it's in the video and it's very self-explanatory. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now because I talk too much, and I'm gonna let y'all just watch the video, and I will see y'all at the end of the video. Enjoy! So guys, this is the final look. I think it came out pretty good. I think this is honestly the best lace front I've ever laid personally. It looks good to me. I don't know. In person, it looks better in person than on camera. On camera, you can kind of see like the white casting around. But in person, it's not there, and it's literally my forehead. But my forehead is like a 5 head now, but that's besides the point. I think I did pretty good. I will get dressed and then I will let you guys know all the details to this hair. It's pretty long if you ask me. 32 inches, bust down, baby. What you know about this? Anyways, let me get situated, do my makeup, and then I'll be back to tell you guys the details of this hair. Okay, 1 second. So, how do you guys think I did? I think I tried. I tried, Sha. It's not perfect, but I tried still. Anyways, let's see where this hair is from. So, I got this hair from ISEE Beauty Hair on AliExpress. It came in this box that I was holding. It comes with a pair of eyelashes. They always give you like the basic stuff, basically. A wig cap, like this color. And of course this little thing to give them a good review and everything. Thank you so much. And it came in that, and then obviously the bag. That's the boring part, okay? Anyways. How much did I pay for this wig? Because you know we do not spend our life savings on stuff on this channel. We like to save money, and saving money is what I will help you do. Okay? So this hair, I got it off ISEE Fashion Hair Store, and the original price was $203.65, but I paid $172.71 Canadian dollars. So yes, if you are in the US or any other country with good currency rate, because yeah, it's gonna be lower for you guys, so that's a plus. And I used Honey to get like discounts, so y'all please use these apps. They actually work and they help you save money. Like use it to your benefit and save the coin. Anyway, so this is a 13x4 lace front wig. It is 32 inches. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see in a second. I ordered this hair on November 11th, which is the 11/11 sale. If you guys have not heard about that, hop on, honey. AliExpress 11/11, pop off. That's when all the hair is cheap. And that's when you should be shopping, because we don't pay full price here, as I said before. Anyways, I ordered the hair on November 11th and I got it on November 24th. So that's like pretty fast, if you ask me. Like, yeah. I had a little bit of a dilemma with this package, but that was DHL's fault. Anyways, yeah, so I think the shipping was pretty fast. And I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see the length of the hair on me. I am 5'5". Yeah, pretty short. So when I stand up, oh, you guys can't even see. That's how long it goes, period. Okay. Oh shoot, y'all really can't see. Hold on. I'm gonna adjust this camera. I'm gonna adjust this camera and be right back. And this is where the hair goes up to on me. This is past my waist. This is my waist right here, and it's below my waist. I think that's pretty long. $172.71 for a 32-inch 13x4 closure, and this hair is giving what? It's giving luscious. Well, it was. I went out and I did a lot, and I came back to shoot this ending clip for y'all. But this hair is still beautiful. Like, huh? If you don't run to AliExpress, I will run for you. I will run there for you, because this is a good deal. Like, what? Anyways, guys, let's get back to the normal angle, because this is not it. So as you guys saw, this hair is long. It's giving long. Okay? It's giving long, luscious baddie, bougie on a budget, period. Like, this video is not sponsored, by the way. I'm doing this for you guys. It's for your own good. It's for your benefits. If you like, buy. If you don't like, don't buy. But I'm just telling you how to save money and where the good, cheap hair is at, because I'm here to help you, okay? That's it. Like, anyway, chat, if they want to sponsor me, my email will be down below. So if you want me to test out your wig, test out your clothes, anything, skincare, makeup, anything, sponsor me, okay? Yeah. I tried to do a little no edges moment. The ear tabs came up. It's been a long night, okay? Don't judge me, please. Please, I'm not a professional wig slayer. I'm not. I'm trying to be, but I'm not. With practice, we will get there, okay? So don't judge me right now. But honestly, off camera, like in person, when I'm looking at it, like in my mirror, this is my skin. But on camera, it's like you can see the lace. But in person, it's like the lace is not there. So don't let this camera deceive you. I did good. Okay? And you'll see that in my upcoming pictures with this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end, of course. If you like this video and if you thought it was helpful, don't forget to like, comment what you thought was helpful, what you think I need work on. Comment anything you want, honestly, but be kind, okay? I want to see your comments down below. And also don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social medias on Instagram at lil_sweetie. That is LIL_SWEETII. It'll be on the screen somewhere. It'll be in the description box. It'll be anywhere you need it to be so you can follow me. And also follow me on TikTok at the same at lil_sweetie. And yeah, like, that's it, guys. Like, oh my god, and happy New Year's. It is your year, it is my year, it is our year to flourish. So do that and be flourishing with God, okay? Because without God you are nothing. So with God you can do everything and anything. So this year I decree that we are going to flourish, whether it is doing our business, whether it is in our circular jobs, whether it is social media content creating. Girl, you start posting. Talking to myself. We are going to flourish this year, and that is on what? That's on period poop. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next video. That's it for me. Bye. I love you all. God bless.